Hi guys, and welcome to DIY with Nadia. Today I'm excited to bring you a Michaels haul. Ever since Michaels opened from the quarantine, they had grab bag. Some of the Michaels actually had grab bags. So I did a haul on that and I'll insert the video on top. And then I did, this is a combination of three Michaels because I was looking for specific things. I'm not somebody who buys just because something is on sale. I buy because I need it, I want it, I was looking for it. So that's what you're going to see in this video. If you are someone who loves videos that include hauls like thrifting hauls, Dollar Tree hauls, and crafts like Trash to Treasure, or Dollar Tree crafts, or just any types of crafts, this is the channel for you. If you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. With that being said, let's get started. As always, I'm going to start on stuff that's the biggest. And the biggest thing I got this time is this wreath. It won't fit on the screen. This is like a 27 to 30 inch wreath. It is absolutely humongous. Like, this thing is huge, you guys. So I'm very excited about it. I don't know when I'm gonna use it, how I'm gonna use it, but this is so being used. And by the way, I paid $247 for this, so $250. Not bad. I think it was like around $10 original price. So the next thing I got, they were not on sale at all, but it's something that I need. And Michaels is all kind of screwed up with the coupons right now, because I usually, if I get something like original price, I'll get, you know, I usually use a coupon, but this was like $5, and for $5 this is awesome. And this is to store your 12 by 12 crafting paper, which I have a lot of, so I think I'm going to, at least one of them is going to be Christmas, and then the rest, so I don't know, I might actually need another one. $5, I think that's a great deal for these big boxes. All right, next thing I got was this, and here's what I learned before I move on. Here's what I learned by going through to 3 different Michaels. The reason I went to 3 different Michaels was looking for the grab bags, actually, and this stuff I kind of just, you know, glanced over, except the flowers. The flowers is what I was looking for. But one Michaels, sale. The other 2 Michaels, not on sale. So I got this for $250, and this is the bottle string light. So basically, if you decorate a bottle, you put this cap on, turn the lights on, bam, you got beauty. And I think this is so cool. I've been looking for this, so I got that. Then I got this, and this was, I believe, like $2 for this one, and it has the magnet on the back. And I love these. I buy these at the, this is a Dollar Tree one, and they come 2 in a pack. But this one's much taller, as you can see. And I have a magnetic board on to the side of me, and I love using, bam, it's there. And I love using those boxes. Next, I got something, one of the YouTubers does this thing where it's crafted 3 ways. And I thought I would use these guys for it next time. And it's these black doilies. You know what? It's glaring so much, I don't think you'll be able to see. So let me take one out super quick for you. So I got 3 of these doilies. And I thought this was cute. They were on sale for 47 cents. So $1.50 for 3 of them. Not bad, not bad. Let's see here. The next thing I got was a candle warmer, and the reason I got the candle warmer, oh, actually this I paid full price. It was like $5 too. It's a candle warmer, and I really didn't have one. I didn't even realize that I didn't have one, because I usually either used candy melts. What's in my mind? Because I usually used candle melts, or I burned candles like normal. But I got a lot of these, and I'm so excited about this. So at one of the Michaels, out of all of them, in one of the Michaels, And it was just so weird. The things that were like it was on sale in this one, but not, and then something else was on sale here, but not. It was just, I don't know why they do that. But anyway, so these Ashland candles, these humongous Ashland candles that are 17 ounces, okay? $1.80. And I'm not sure what the, oh here, original price is $5.99 and it was $1.80. Not bad. And so I got 5 of these. So the first one is peony, and you can only imagine that it just smells happy. I love the peony scent so bad. The next one, this one I always have to smell because sometimes they can smell real bad. And it's the roses. So it's rose petals. And it's, I don't know how to explain it. It's not annoying rose. It's not that, you know, it's a very, very like elegant rose scent, and I actually liked it. So I'm like, yay. The next one is honeysuckle. And do you have a scent that reminds you of your childhood? Either I had some sort of a lotion or something. This reminds me of when I was like 10 years old. For some reason, I was standing there in the store thinking, I don't know why, but I must have had something that it triggered my memory, but I'm not quite sure why. But it's honeysuckle. And then like took me back to my childhood. It was so kind of, you know, I don't know. Like I'm wondering why. So this next one, it's called the flower bouquet. Flower bouquet. Oh, I don't know why I said bouquet. That's weird. It's a flower bouquet. But this one smells really, really nice. I should really get going with this. And then the peach. Well, what can I say? It's peach. And it's like a sweet peach. That's what it smells like to me. Okay, you crafters, this next one is You Can Appreciate Me. Or appreciate, not me. You can appreciate the sale. I'm looking at paints, and out of the corner of my eye, I see chalk paint. No, chalk paint's not on sale. I have never seen chalk paint on sale anytime I've been to Michael's, ever. But this time it was on sale. Originally, these are $10 at my Michael's, or $9.99, and I got it for $2.47. $2.47. Okay, so the first one is a salmon coral. And it's a really pretty color. The next one is vintage mustard. I got it because I thought maybe like for fall, I can definitely see myself using this one. And then this one is, I'm not sure what the color on here is. I can't find the color. Grotto. I think that's the color. Yeah. Grotto. It's like this green shade. And then I did get this black, but now I'm sitting there thinking, did I really get it on sale? I need to go look at the receipts. Because if this wasn't on sale, I would prefer to have gotten the white one if I'm gonna pay full price. You know what I mean? So it's the Craftsman, and this is the black one. Okay, you guys, I think we're ready for the florals. These are so pretty. I'm going to start with this little bouquet. And so this bouquet was $9.99, which means I basically paid $3 for it. Look how gorgeous this is. And I basically bought it because when I do my DIYs, you know, for a little background color, or, you know, to decorate in the back right here. And this one was $3 also. No, I mean, seriously, look at this. Look how gorgeous this is. And it's already put together for you. Just throw it in a vase, you know. Another small one that I thought would be pretty maybe for fall DIYs is this gorgeous, gorgeous kind of like purple, dark burgundy kind of, you know, lilac-y colors. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Absolutely stunning, you guys. And then this one I love too. Okay. And then this one just jumped out at me. I saw it and I was like, I need to have this. Look how beautiful this is. It's blue with a little pop of yellow. It's just so, so pretty. This one was $3 also. Next one that's $3 is this pure white one. And I love buying white because they'll match anything. Anything goes with white. And since we are on the white bouquets, I'll show you. I bought 2 of these, and let's see how much were they. These were also $3 each. And how gorgeous are these? Look at this, you guys. So I bought 2. So this bouquet, this huge bouquet, is $6. Honestly, you cannot beat that. I mean, I'm somebody who buys my florals at the Dollar Tree, but you have to be smart. And, you know, sometimes I would never buy Michael's on kind of like on 50% off, but at 70, that's when it evens out with the Dollar Tree. And obviously this is way prettier than a lot of the Dollar Tree flowers that we get. You know, we don't get this gorgeousness at the Dollar Tree, even though we get really pretty. Don't get me wrong, all my flowers are Dollar Tree, but when this is $3 for this, what do you think? Am I right? Do you do the same thing, you guys? Do you buy the, you know, when it comes to Michael's, it needs to be a certain price before you'll buy? Because it's, I think I bought smart. I think they were awesome. I actually called my mom. I was like, Ma, seriously, I'm telling you to get flowers at Michael's. That's the, you know, how good this is. Okay, so this one was $14.99 originally, plus the 70% off. So we want to say around $4.50-ish maybe with tax. And it's this gorgeous greenery that has like this purple kind of shade to it. I'm wondering how it would look with this. Look at that. How gorgeous. But it's just so full, you guys. For $4.50, look how full and huge this is. I just thought it was so beautiful. Just put it in a vase, you know? Like I can even just throw it in one of these and just grab the vase from the back of my, you know, just throw it in here. Look at this. Bam. And that's why I bought these, because any of these, you just, not this one, maybe this one. Look how good this would look. Oh, so gorgeous. Okay, we went off subject a little bit there. But the next thing I got were these. And this was $3. And this is the kind, see, they make a little, I don't know if it showed up on camera. This is the stuff that has that, I don't know what, that velvety texture. And we get spring colors or spring little bushels at the Dollar Tree that I've been seeing right now still coming in. So maybe they made it out a year round since a lot of us love them. But this is those types of greenery or flowers or whatever you want to call it. And I absolutely love them. And this is one, you guys. This is one. This whole thing. Look at this. This whole thing for $3. And I'll show you up close a little bit. Just stunning and simple and clean. And it'll match anything. You know, it does have a little pink to it. But for most part, it'll match a lot because the pink is very kind of faint. Okay, so the next thing I got is some magnolias. Look how gorgeous they are. I think they're beautiful. And the reason I got them is I do want to make a magnolia wreath. And these are so expensive, you know, originally. So $14.99 original price, 70% off, affordable wreath. That's what it equals to. So I got those. They're just so beautiful and big. We do get magnolias at the Dollar Tree, but they're not as big. They're not as full. Look at this detail that it has on here. It's so pretty. So that's why I got these. And I've been waiting for a sale for flowers to get a magnolia wreath. I'm itching to go back, and maybe I want to get another magnolia and one more that I'm going to show you. And this is it. I found one. Then I called Yelena Jenkins, because we kind of talk often, and she said she got 3 of them. So guess what? Now I'm gonna hunt for more of these, because these would be so pretty. So pretty to decorate, like if you're doing a lemon themed coffee bar or something. How adorable would this be as a little accent? So now I want to see if I can get more. Yeah, it's kind of dangerous for me to go back to Michael's, but if I do get more, check me out on Instagram. I'll post it in Insta stories. I will definitely do that. And the last floral that I got was this, and it's one of these where it's kind of like a hanging, kind of like an ivy or something. Not an ivy, what is that? Willow tree. Like a willow tree, you know. But the reason I got this, and I got a nice, beautiful one, I think I might actually get another one if I go back, is because sometimes you do projects or something, or you do something hanging with florals, and you need that hangover. You need that a little bit of, you know, pouring over, you know, from the florals, and this is a perfect way to do it, where you get something that's just, you know, flowy and beautiful. I have not seen anything like this at the Dollar Tree, and I have looked, and so that's why when I saw this, I jumped on it, because I thought this was a fantastic deal. Well, you guys, what do you think? How did I do? I mean, some of these are just so breathtaking. Like this one is just incredible. And then this one is, the colors are just, you know, they get you. They're just so, oh my goodness, beautiful. Just, oh my goodness. And like these, they're just beautiful, simple white, but clean and beautiful. And, oh, love these. This is, I think like this is one of my favorite with this one. And you know what? I think I am missing something. Okay, you guys, I was not wrong. I knew there were some flowers in my flowers, and it actually just fell on the floor. But sunflowers were $9.99, which means $3. But okay, look at this. Look at this full bouquet of sunflowers. It's a little one, but look how cute. I wanted it because there is a DIY that I'm thinking to use them in. So I specifically wanted sunflowers, and I was looking for them. $3, you guys. Cannot beat this. Nope. I think this is a fabulous, fabulous deal. So this is the last one. Alrighty. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing, and you know it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.